the meter is now set so that after measuring the diameter of the bushing, I used the exact same dimension. It happens to be 65.11 millimeters, and I set it here. So our goal is that when this display is showing 0, then we are at exactly the same diameter as the bushing is, and we should have a shrink fit of approximately 0.1 millimeters when we are talking about 65 millimeter diameter bushing. It means that when we do the measurement in the hole, we should have about 0.1, but we should have 0.1, but we have 0.65, so it means that our hole is about 0.5 millimeters too small. Reason for that is that it was welded around, and the weld has compressed the diameter of the tube. So it means that it will have to be line bored by about 0.4 millimeters. So the bearing is set now. Bearings are welded in now. The supports, and it's very sturdy. And the next thing is to remove the centering cones, and after that check the alignment of the axis. So we remove this hose clamps first. The bearing axle will come off.